All right, I'm at 10658 Riviere in Heritage Isles, and I have a bird that's going right to town behind me somewhere, singing every type of noise you can imagine. I've been sitting here listening to him for the last couple of minutes. Can you believe all the noises this bird's making? Okay, so, sorry, the distractions. I was fascinated by this bird. Alright, so I'm going to show you this property. So the whole downstairs is tile. You have your formal dining room right here, dictated by the light. Formal living room here. Crown molding. The crown molding continues. Little office, little desk area. Stainless fridge, pantry. Stainless stove and dishwasher. And microwave, or vice versa. Backsplash. So off your kitchen, you have your family room. Little breakfast nook here. TV would go here on the wall. So you have the outlet already. Here's your backyard. You have PVC on both sides, so you would just have to go across, and you would have it done. If you wanted to cage this, of course, you already have this. What do you call it? This roofing here. It's almost like a double. I've seen it where it's half as long as this, so you do have like this double extension, so you can run a cage off of that if you wish. All the rooms are upstairs, so I'm just going to show you what's remaining down here. This is your storage under the stairway, so it wraps around. Around the corner is the downstairs bathroom. Does lead to the outside, so it has the glass pedestal sink. So let's just see the fixture there. Laundry is downstairs, and there you go. Has a sink to it. Thought I heard water drip. Through here is your, when we came here, I didn't look at the garage, so that's interesting. They tiled the garage. Wow. I wonder if they're in the tile business. They tiled the walls. They really went to town with this tile. Normally you just have the block right here, but there's tile over the block. So your irrigation system. I'm not sure what that piping is. So, hot water heater. Still hear that bird. So, nice 3-car garage. Okay, let's check out the rooms upstairs. So we have like a Berber carpet. Master is through here. So we'll hit the other ones first. So if we go all the way to the end, We have 2 rooms at the end of the house. Looks like there's a little bit of staining on the carpet. Not sure if the carpet can be saved. Does have the crown molding in the rooms. Once again, the crown molding has the fans to it. Now this has 3 full baths, and these bathrooms are side by side. So you have this one right here for these 2 rooms, and then you have this one right here. I guess it's almost like the guest room and office, because here's the room right here. And your closets are, standard. Wide but not deep. Okay. And then this is your air handler, which takes us to the master. You do have the double doors and the tray ceilings. Several windows. Before I get to the master bathroom, you do have an office off of the master bedroom. Now, if you wanted to make this another room or an office that everyone can use, they don't have to go through the bedroom. I mean, you could definitely put a door right there, and then you can close this right here and make that a room or an office or whatnot. But right now they set it up so it's just a room off of the master bedroom. Okay, so master bathroom. Let's see if I can find some lights here. So of course you have your toilet area. We saw another house on Plantation Bay. Remember where the glass was missing? Not sure if this is the same case, if it's supposed to have the glass, if that's deep enough to not have the glass. But it's the second time we've seen that. Now there is 2 walk-in closets. You have one right here. And then you have one at the end of the bathroom. Probably a little bit bigger than the other one. So. And of course you have the double doors to the master bathroom, double doors to the master bedroom. Let's see, let's give you an outside view from up above. There's a neighbor's pool. And over there you can see, I can capture it, the fencing. They actually fence the whole thing. See the back there. So it could be enclosed. There's definitely no HOA restrictions. They just chose to put sides up. But you could enclose the whole thing if you wanted. Linen closet. Usually this means the AC is brand new when they have the paperwork like that. I don't have the sheet in front of me, but that would be nice if that's new. It's quiet in here. I mean, I can hear a little bit of the thunder and of course the birds, but there's no road noise. And this is very close to the end of a community. I think when we left, I think I went the wrong way and it was like this is a dead end, if I'm not mistaken. So this is pretty close to the end of the subdivision, so it's quiet. It's about 1.3 miles from the amenity center, maybe 1.5 miles from Cross Creek, the road. So you can see they enclose their side, so you would have to, if you wanted, have to do all the way to the. You can see where the electrical stuff is, so you probably have to start yours no further forward than that. But you can obviously put an end piece and then carry it to the back. The same here. So both neighbors did it and this house didn't. I don't see gutters. Obviously there's a satellite dish. No trees hanging over the house. Alright, well this completes my video for 10658 what is it, Riviere? I always blank on that street name. Bye.